So the last two videos I've sent to y'all have been from inside my house, but today we're trying something new and we are filming on the trampoline. So my daughter Ashley is filming this for me, and I decided to film outside because it's really nice out today, and the books we're reading are about spring and things you do and see in springtime. And in my backyard right now we have trees blooming and flowers coming up and frogs in the pond who like to talk to each other pretty loud, and our goldfish are swimming around. So we thought this was the perfect spot to do this video. So today we're going to read a book called A Green Green Garden. And some of you guys may have started planting gardens in your backyard. I'm not great at gardens, so I tend to stick to flowers instead of vegetables. Oopsies, I think I skipped a page. It's time to plant my garden. We go to the garden store. It has everything we need. Mr. Pinky's Garden Store. I want a green, green garden. I find many seeds to plant. Mom says we will buy some seeds. Dad says we will also buy some baby plants. They are very little. They all look the same. Dad plows the garden. We pick up stones and clumps of grass. This is not fun. We plant the seeds in the baby plants. I am tired. I need cool water. We are finished, I say. Now we can rest. Dad says we must water each plant. We take turns. Every day we weed, water, and wait. We weed, water, and wait some more. We wait a lot. Dad takes pictures. At school, I learn more about gardening. We make a compost heap full of old leaves and stuff. It makes a good garden dirt. We buy worms to put in my garden. We buy good bugs that eat bad bugs. Looks like they bought some ladybugs and praying mantis. Deer come and eat some of my garden. Blue wants to protect it. The deer ate a lot of our plants last year. Finally, I have a green, green garden. I have a yellow, orange, and red garden too. Looks like they have squash and pumpkins and tomatoes and corn. We have a great dinner, all from my green, green garden. So this week, I'm also sending you guys some pictures that I took walking through our neighborhood and in my backyard of some signs of spring. And I'm also gonna send some info to do a spring scavenger hunt. So maybe you can walk around the neighborhood with Mom and Dad and see what you can find that looks like spring to you. And if you guys want to snap a picture of you next to whatever signs of spring you find and send it to me, that would be awesome. See you soon.